Okay, this is part 2 of how to create an image. So it's finished copying the image file, and so before we reset it, we're going to pop the physical media out of the drive, and it says image creations were completed successfully. Do you want to continue? Yes. Continue. Now, nothing's really going to look special here when this reboots. It's going to boot up into Windows, and you're going to have a text file on the desktop that says hi. Is this rebooted itself? What is it doing? Didn't I say continue?
That's what I thought you did.
Are you sure you want to quit? Yeah, I'm sure I want to quit. Oh, I've never seen it bug out like that. But anyway, you're going to have a reading drive A. Well, I'm not trying to read drive A. Control Alt Delete. I just Control Alt Deleted it, so we'll see if this should boot up Windows, hopefully.
Now it's going to show that hi file because we created it on the existing partition.
Yeah.
But if we deleted that hi file,
we're going to do that.
And then
we're going to go through some stuff so you can actually see it.
Yep.
But since all that you did was copy the C drive and make an image file, the only thing that's going to be different is when we go into the D drive, you're going to see a file in that IMG 0000 folder. Do you remember what the file name is going to be called? See, there's your little hi file right in the middle. Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but down in the corner, another change or customization is I put the Windows Media Player icon in the little quick launch thing. Okay, so if we go to the D drive, partition number 2, 1:2, we see we have the IMG 000 directory. If we go into that, now there's data there. There's test img.gho, and you can see that it's a 900 megabyte file. It's almost a gigabyte.
Right.
Okay. Okay, so now for the part where things get interesting. Let's say that we take this hi file and we delete it. We take our other customization and we nuke that. Okay, so that's completely gone. We look under programs and we see that we have no programs whatsoever. Nothing installed. This is just totally base. Mm-hmm. Okay, go ahead and put your media back in. Go put your ghost boot disk in there. We're going to restart and boot off of that. Boot off of the ghost disk. Mm-hmm. We're going to go into your different images, mm-hmm. and I'm going to restore from your base plus drivers plus apps. Right. So then we'll boot into Windows. You'll see there will actually be apps there. I'm going to play with your apps for a minute. Right. And then when we're done with that, we're going to go back to your custom image that we just made that has the hi file on the desktop. Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to move a little bit faster through this one since you've seen most of the dialogues. Continue without marking. Continue without marking. Okay. We want to go from an image. Always, no matter how many times I use this, from an image to a partition is the way to think of this. We're going to come up here. No, don't do that. It got me wrong. Now it's bugging out. Come on, give me an error message. Okay, I think we're going to have to maybe scrap this whole tutorial. It's trying to read from the B drive. Right. Just because it misinterpreted me. I don't know, whatever. I told it to read from the B drive, but it's totally confused. That sucks. Start over. Control Alt Delete, by the way, works in DOS. It just immediately just. Continue without marking drives. Okay. Partition from image. Don't click over there. Oh, why is it doing that?
Again, yeah.
Okay, kill